MX KDI. This is the second video I'm doing on the model Apex D500 EXP, the power supply I'm doing, and it's actually I'm doing it just to compare the other power supply system board inside of it, and I would say it's pretty decent power supply if you guys are running just the integrated graphics. And I'm using this power supply basically just for testing different motherboards, and it works fine for me a few years now. Just I would recommend replacing the fan, that's about it, the slip bearing. But other than that, this power supply should last you for a while, because I have another one here. You'd be surprised. It's a Cooler Master 500 watt, and looking inside, and it's a small board in it too, your unit board. Got the small heat sinks in it too, and it's look at it, it's RS500 PCAR. It's a 500 watt power supply from Cooler Master, and it's actually pretty small heat sinks in it too. And they've both been running fine for me for a few years now. I've been using them. But the Apex one, if you guys doing like a low-end video card, like that's like a maybe GTX 650 Ti or 750 Ti will work fine with this. But any high-end system like a 6-core or 8-core AMD with the high-end graphics, this power supply is too small. You need at least 750 watt power supply, something that's bigger, more amps and more power. So yeah, looking at both compare, and this got a small system board in it too, and a small heat sinks in it, the other one. So yeah, this power supply, guys, Apex, pretty decent, just like integrated graphics for testing I do. It works fine, runs pretty quiet. So yeah guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, bye.